As you know, this market was off today, and so is this where the S&P makes its downward trend all the way down to 3,500 like a lot of people have expected? If you take a look, there's not a lot of volume in this down day, so there's not a lot of conviction. Granted, there hasn't been a lot of conviction in the up days, the last couple days. It looks like everybody's just waiting for earnings to come out, and then they'll figure out what to do. However, if you look at the overall trend of the market is downward, so there's no reason to think that it's going to bounce back right now because the general direction is downward, so we can expect it to go downward. So I continue my shorting of the Qs and taking a look about it for tomorrow. If you look, all the foreign markets are down. Futures for the NASDAQ is down. Futures for the S&P is down. So it looks like it's going to continue further down. Now, if you take a look at the S&P here, if you take a look at the Qs rather, here, we had a kind of a double top, almost broke through the top there. But when you look at the S&P, we didn't quite make it there, and with the Russell small caps, we didn't quite make it there. And in a recession, small caps tend to have a bigger problem. So I also took out a short position in the Russell. Took out options, took out puts on DocuSign. If you take a look here, they missed their last earnings and got hit pretty hard. They made their earnings back here and still got hit hard. And back here they got hit hard. So I took out options that are going to expire out here. Take advantage of those earnings back there. Netflix, as you know, I actually had an alert come up today that told me to take out more puts on Netflix. And it turns out Netflix was down 5%, so that the puts I had in there already made me some money. So I compounded my interest there. Carvana, my puts on Carvana made money today, and so I doubled down on those puts. Disney I didn't touch today, but as you can see, Disney was off 2 1/3, so that made money there. Here's a new one, Target. If you go by what the CEO, he's slashing prices, so I think their earnings are going to get hit hard. They missed earnings here, they made earnings there, but missed bad here. And all depends on how much is priced into the market already, but if you look at the discounts in the store, they're not going to make as much money. Walgreens Boots continues to make me money all the time. I didn't take out any new ones. Any new puts here because it's already pretty low. If it comes down and then creeps back up about in the 40 range, maybe here I'll take some more puts out at that point. Here I'm going to lose some money. I got VIX that are coming due tomorrow. I took out calls on the VIX at 26 that were about $1.33. So the VIX would have to hit here by Wednesday, and I don't see that happening. So I think we're going to take a loss there.